Whenever the topic of reliable used cars comes up, the same names always dominate the conversation. Models like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Toyota Camry, and others. They've earned their reputation, but they're not the only ones that can deliver rock-solid dependability. The truth is, there are plenty of underrated cars out there that cost less, get overlooked, and still last just as long. In this video, we're highlighting 5 of those hidden gems that deserve way more attention. The first one on our list is the Buick Regal GS, built between 2012 and 2017. And believe me, this is nothing like the Buicks you remember from the past. In this generation, Buick transformed the Regal into a true sleeper sports sedan that most people still overlook. Under the hood, it comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine pushing up to 270 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's quick, it's responsive, and thanks to Brembo front brakes and sport-tuned suspension, the GS feels far more European than American when it comes to handling. Fuel economy is also respectable for a performance sedan. Owners report around 19 miles per gallon in the city and close to 27 on the highway, not bad for a turbocharged engine with this level of power. Inside, you'll find leather seats, a refined cabin, and features like navigation and premium audio that made it stand out from cars like the Civic Scion and Focus ST at the time. And here's the kicker. Because it never sold in huge numbers, prices stayed surprisingly low. You can still find clean 2015 models for around $10,000, making the Buick Regal GS one of the most underrated luxury performance bargains in today's used car market. The next one on our list is the 2015 Scion XB, a car that most people don't even think about when shopping used, and that's exactly why it's such a hidden gem. At first glance, it may look boxy, but this shape is what makes it so practical. Inside, the cabin feels huge for a compact, with rear legroom that rivals some mid-size sedans. Fold down the back seats and you've got real cargo hauling space, making it perfect for families, students, or anyone who needs flexibility. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed automatic. Nothing fancy, but it's smooth, durable, and easy to maintain. EPA estimates are 22 mpg in the city and 28 on the highway, but many owners report real-world numbers closer to 30 mpg. The XB doesn't try to be flashy, and that's part of its charm. It's reliable, surprisingly fun to drive, and because it's often overlooked, you can still find clean 2015 models with decent mileage for around $7,500. For buyers who want a practical and dependable car that won't break the bank, the Scion XB is one of the smartest choices out there. Moving on, we have the 2006 Lincoln LS, a car most people have forgotten about, and that's exactly why it's such an underrated choice today. Back in the early 2000s, Lincoln designed the LS to compete with European luxury sedans, and while it never really caught mainstream attention, it ended up being a hidden gem for used buyers. Under the hood, you could get it with either a 3.0-liter V6 or a 3.9-liter V8, with the V8 being the real star, paired to a smooth 5-speed automatic. The V6 delivered solid efficiency, but the V8 gave the LS genuine performance, with strong acceleration and a balanced chassis that feels more like a BMW 5 Series than a traditional American luxury car. Fuel economy for the V6 sits around 17 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, while the V8 averages closer to 16 city and 23 highway, respectable numbers for a luxury sedan of its time. Inside, you get leather seats, real wood trim, and a cabin that has aged surprisingly well, with comfort and refinement that still hold up. And here's the best part. Because it never became a big seller, prices stayed low. Today, you can find a well-kept Lincoln LS from 2006 in the $4,000 to $6,000 range. For someone looking for a forgotten luxury sedan with rear-wheel drive, solid engines, and an engaging driving feel, the LS is one of the smartest overlooked buys. Up next is the 2009 Subaru Legacy, a mid-size sedan that rarely gets the spotlight but definitely deserves it. While most people go straight for the Corolla or Camry, the Legacy quietly offers something unique in this price range: standard all-wheel drive. That makes it especially appealing for anyone living in snowy or rainy areas where traction really matters. Under the hood, the 2009 Legacy came with a 2.5-liter flat-four boxer engine paired with either a manual or automatic transmission. Power is modest, around 170 horsepower, but the drivetrain is well-balanced and gives the car a planted, confident feel in all conditions. Reliability is solid too, as long as you keep up with maintenance, especially on the head gaskets, a known Subaru quirk. Fuel economy is reasonable for an AWD sedan, averaging about 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway. Inside, the Legacy is comfortable with good visibility and enough room for 5 adults. Styling has also aged surprisingly well, especially in the limited and GT trims. Because it often flies under the radar, prices stay low. You can find clean 2009 models in the $4,000 to $6,000 range. For buyers who want a reliable, affordable midsize sedan with the bonus of all-wheel drive, the Subaru Legacy is one of the best underrated picks out there. If you're enjoying this list so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next ones. And hey, share this video with that friend who's always hunting for a cheap and reliable car. You might just save them from a bad purchase. Also, let me know in the comments, which of these underrated cars would you actually drive? Another great pick on this list is the second-generation Chevrolet Volt, built from 2016 to 2019. And this one is seriously underrated. It's not just another hybrid, it's a plug-in hybrid that gives you the best of both worlds. For short trips, you can drive fully electric with up to 53 miles of range, which means a lot of owners hardly use gas during their daily commute. And once the battery runs out, a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine kicks in as a generator, pushing the total range to over 400 miles. Fuel economy is one of its biggest strengths. In hybrid mode, the Volt averages around 32 mpg overall. But when you factor in electric-only driving, real-world efficiency can be much higher. Performance also improved with this generation: quicker acceleration, a quieter cabin, and more refined handling compared to the first gen. Inside, it feels modern, with better seats, user-friendly controls, and enough tech to compete with much more expensive cars. And here's the thing: prices on early second-gen models are already slipping below $12,000. For buyers who want cutting-edge hybrid technology, low running costs, and the flexibility of both electric and gas power, the Chevrolet Volt is one of the smartest and most overlooked choices on the market. And there you have it, a closer look at some of the most underrated cars that can deliver way more value than most people realize. They may not be the first models that come to mind, but sometimes the smartest choices are the ones hiding in plain sight. Until next time.